For the longest time, the smartphone industry has been occupied with the Samsung, the iPhones, the Google Pixels, OnePluses, Xiaomi, Sony's, and so much more. Today, we have nothing. Like literally nothing. It's been weeks since my last upload, and I want to say a huge sorry to everyone who has waited patiently for a video. But not to bore you guys with like details of what's going on in my life. I'm going to save that for a future video, maybe a channel update video. But today I'm so excited to talk to you guys about something really special, and that is nothing. Like literally nothing. I promise that was the last time I was going to tell this joke. Nothing released their first ever smartphone just a few weeks back in July, and it's already been known as one of the best looking smartphones on the planet, and not surprisingly one of the fastest success launch in the smartphone industry. The front looks like every other smartphone out there, with a 6.5-inch OLED display at 120Hz, screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, all made from Gorilla Glass 5. Now the best part, the back, which in a way looks like a transparent iPhone 12, but yeah, looks good regardless. Actually, nothing went for a whole new transparent back design, also made from Gorilla Glass 5, and some cool features I can't wait to share with you guys in the course of this video. But first, there's one slight problem with the Nothing phone, aside the fact that it's rated IP53, which is basically useless, and that is the specs. Now the specs in this are not the best per se, also not the worst if I'm to be completely honest with you guys. It's just that many a times we expect newer flagship devices to come with like the latest and greatest chipsets, but not in this. And this makes me even wonder if the Nothing phone should be considered a flagship or mid-range device. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Flagship or mid-range? Let me know. Comment down below. This comes with the Snapdragon 778 Plus with 8GB and 12GB RAM variant. This having a mid-range chip only means it might not handle all demanding apps and games. Maybe games like Call of Duty Mobile and maybe Pokemon Unite, this would handle them with no problem at max settings. But newer titles like, let's say, Apex Legends, you will see some performance dip from time to time over a long period of use. Nonetheless, this is a great device. Great cameras at 50 megapixels each and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. But then I wonder why the Nothing phone is even talked about in the tech space, regardless it's old, fairly old chipset. And I believe that is the design. Also might just be the first of its kind at this point. Nothing's branding has more like a transparent futuristic look, as we saw also in their wireless earbuds. And as I teased in the intro of this video, this also comes with 900 LEDs forming a unique pattern all around the back. They call this the glyph interface. It lights up when you set the phone down, when you reverse wireless charge other devices, even as a fill light for taking pictures in the dark. And when it's being charged, it shows how much juice it has. And my favorite of all of these is the ringtones and notification effects. There are several ringtones built into the Nothing phone, and each one has a unique pattern with the LED lights. I really do like what Nothing is doing here, bringing in a whole new concept and style to the smartphone industry, and I want to believe the only reason people should even consider getting the device should be the design. Just the design, the new unique design. But then that's just my personal take. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments down below. And yeah, if you found this video helpful in any way, I really appreciate it if you drop the like on this video, subscribe if you want, and I will catch you guys next week. Peace.